it was not easy. It was a very hard work. We know that institutes don't come up overnight. They develop over the years pertaining to the development of the university, and to achieve this A double plus, coming from B double plus to A, then A plus, then to A double plus, it needs a vision, it needs a mission, for which I am so thankful to all my teaching fraternity, to all my non-teaching fraternity, to all my students, to all my research scholars, to society, to bureaucracy, to the Honorable Chancellor, to the Honorable Pro-Chancellor, to the Education Minister, who always were very much concerned about the accreditation of the university, why it is not being done, because of the NAC, because of their own issues which they had. Took some time, and at last gave us the dates. That was 29, 30, 31st. Two people came here, physically. 5 people were online, and believe me, it was not an easy task. Morning till evening till 10 p.m. we used to busy, for which, right from my controller of examination, Dean Research, Dean Academic Affairs, Registrar of the university, and of course, Director of DICA, the PRO of the university, very well coordinated all the efforts. Everyone, my EMMRC team, my IT team, everybody, deans, heads of the departments, faculty, teaching, non-teaching faculty, students, coordinated in a very well manner and gave their best because it was the honor of the institution, for which I am so happy. Being an alumni of this university, I have spent almost 40 years in this university now. Believe me, I have seen this university coming up, and now it has come to such a stature. We can compete globally, with any university. I am very much, sure about it and very much confident. Of course, A double plus should not be the end. We should move forward, have more vision, come up to the expectation of our society, be at the global level, be more at the national level. Definitely we'll work on it, and definitely we'll see how we come forward. Rest, the stature of this university is so high. Aapko khud pata hai, we had our 2 satellite campuses, Kargil and Leh. It's a Ladakh university now. We started those campuses and they were our campuses. Aapka NIT hai, it was a constituent regional engineering college of this university. It is a national institute now, NIT. We had 5, our lead colleges, जो इस वक्त cluster university है. तो आप खुद सोच सकते हैं the stature of this university कितना बड़ा है, and what challenges it has faced. मुझे कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We have come through so many challenges, but in spite of that हमने quality of education पे कभी compromise नहीं किया है. We change our modes of whether it's admission, mode of everything, where the best quality would be maintained.